Most of the boxes I'm going to keep. I just need to organize them. Some of this is trash, like I said, and some of this to keep. So I'm just gonna go through this now so that I can just, you know, have this area back to being clutter-free. Welcome to day 5 of 25 days of decluttering. We are a fifth of the way there, y'all, and I'm feeling good. We have really transformed so many spaces, from drawers to just areas in my home that just really needed my time and attention, and this is forcing me to do it, and the accountability is just everything that I need right now. I'm just really grateful, and I pray that this is helping you guys, whether it's decluttering, cleaning, organizing, you know, meal planning, whatever it is, fitness. It could be anything that you're wanting to do, but it's always been on your to-do list, but you just never do it. Now's the time to do it, because we want to make space for the things that we want in 2023. We've got to remove the stuff that's not bringing us joy or just holding us back. And I'm not even just talking about physical things. I'm just talking about anything, mentally, spiritually, physically, the things that we do not want, that aren't bringing us joy. Let's just address it. So this is what this 25 days of decluttering is. Right now, I am going to do my foyer. It looks like this because I just finished decorating the outside for our Christmas decor. It looks so beautiful. I love it so much. I ordered all new stuff because, you know, we completely redid our landscaping in the front of our house. We no longer have these big trees, maple trees in the front, and the bushes in the front too. So a lot of the stuff we just couldn't use. So I have a whole new look, whole new design. We have a brand new door here. I got this new reef for our double door, and so yeah, I need to address the boxes. Most of the boxes I'm going to keep. I just need to organize them. Some of this is trash, like I said, and some of this to keep. So I'm just gonna go through this now so that I can just, you know, have this area back to being clutter-free. So let's get started. So you guys, a lot of you guys who watch me regularly know that I had been talking about getting professional Christmas lights. I was thinking about it. A lot of my neighbors this year got professional Christmas lights. Some of them have been getting them for years, but way more got them done this year. And I think it's because last year they were just so beautiful. But anyway, so I priced it out. Girl, it was $1,000. I told many of you guys this in my previous shop with me's. So I decided to take it upon myself and design something stunning. I actually ordered professional lights to just put around my house myself. Now, I tried to get Charles to go up to the attic, but up to the roof, and he was like, absolutely not, you lost your mind. So I decided to order what the professionals order to like line the pathways and stuff. It was a little bit of an investment, but the lights are so much better quality. You can get them to you can customize them to the length of your house so that it gives you that professional look. I love it so much, along with my 48-inch reef that I got from Sam's Club. But yeah, this is all what the residual of that, me doing that. It took several days for me to do that. So I was just opening the boxes and kind of just throwing them here in the foyer. But I just need it. I can tend to just leave the boxes there. And so this was forcing me to kind of like put the boxes away that I wanted to save so that I can place the lights back in the boxes that they came in, just to preserve the length of the, of the lights, of how long you keep them. And so, yeah, I put a lot of them away in the garage. That's where you see me taking the boxes out of the front door. And then some of this was just trash. Like when we get an Amazon package or something, I just open it up and just leave it right here. So I'm just addressing that here in this video. Yes, ma'am. I am here for this. Right? We're gonna ignore the dining room for now. Gotta do something with those box lights. I don't even use them anymore, but you guys remember what it looked like before. So this is another checklist off this long list of 25 days of decluttering. I hope this is inspiring you guys and you guys are getting whatever you need to get done. I am here for it. Let's just keep pushing for sure. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hopefully this inspired you to declutter something in your house. Let's just get through all the different projects that we need to get done before the end of the year so we could start 2023 off where we want to be. So thanks for watching and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.